When I make videos, it's reactions like this that I strive for. Let's see. I did not have to hear. I did not need to hear. I did not need. I don't need that. I did not. That was not necessary. That was not necessary. That ending. Can you like crop it out? Thank you. What the fuck? That's crazy. I stuttered so much he didn't even have to edit that shit. Okay, I get it. Vedal likes ass. That's not news to me. What did I mean by that? Chat, I don't fucking know what she's talking about. That's actually not me. That's an AI. That's an AI created by Vedal. That fucking Andy. That's not news to me. My god. She really has a way with words. Stop. I'm gonna freaking die of laughter. Stop. Okay. It's not that funny, chat. Stop it.